Samphire farming, also known as sea asparagus farming, is an emerging agricultural practice that involves cultivating a unique and highly nutritious coastal plant called samphire for commercial purposes. Samphire, with its succulent, salty flavor and vibrant green appearance, has gained popularity in the culinary world for its distinctive taste and versatility in various dishes. This briny vegetable has been traditionally foraged from coastal areas, but the increasing demand for samphire has led to the development of commercial farming methods. In this video, we will explore the complete information about samphire farming. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Site selection. Samphire thrives in saline and sandy coastal environments, making site selection crucial for successful farming. Ideal locations include coastal marshes, tidal flats, and salt pans. Soil preparation. Samphire is adapted to high salinity, so soil preparation should focus on maintaining the right salt levels. Growers may need to incorporate seawater or salt water into the soil to create the optimal growing conditions. Planting. Samphire is typically grown from seeds or cuttings. Seeds are sown directly into the prepared soil, while cuttings can be transplanted from mature plants. Planting is usually done in rows to facilitate irrigation and harvesting. Irrigation. Adequate irrigation is essential for samphire farming as it requires constant moisture. Drip irrigation or periodic flooding with brackish water is often used to mimic natural coastal conditions. Harvesting. Samphire can be harvested when it reaches a height of 6 to 10 inches. Harvesting is usually done by hand, and care should be taken not to damage the plant's roots to ensure regrowth. Conclusion. Samphire farming represents an innovative and sustainable agricultural practice that harnesses the natural resilience of this coastal plant to produce a valuable and nutritious crop. Moreover, samphire farming offers environmental benefits by remediating saline soils and sequestering carbon dioxide. As the demand for specialty and sustainable crops continues to rise, the future looks promising for samphire farming as a lucrative and eco-friendly agricultural endeavor. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.